So, vlog number one.
Vlog number one. And shop vlog number one.
Welding shop. Vlog number one. AJ. So we're currently under the Scout.
Well, they don't even know this guy. We haven't introduced them. You're horrible at this. Let's introduce them to the Scout.
Okay, guys, is it recording, right?
Yeah.
This is our teacher's 1967 Scout. We're doing, why it's here is because we're doing the rear used to be hard mounted on the leaf springs. Now we're just basically swapping it, so we're gonna put the shotgun on the rear and then doing a hard mount on the front. That's already done. And then the specs on it, it's the Scout like on roids. It has an air locker in the front. That's why there's a gauge and shit. There's a gauge for the air locker. And then in the rear, it's a manual locker with no air. And then it's 36s, R15. And then it's V8. I'm not too sure what really V8 it is, but I don't know. The roll cage, it's an XO cage. And last year we cut the cage in half and we made it like a removable top part. Because of the white top on the Scouts, they come off. And yeah, it's pretty clean on the inside. He goes to TDS a lot, that's why he has all the safari stickers from TDS. And yeah, it's pretty cool. And then this is a bug project that a student is doing. It's pretty cool. I don't know what year it is, I don't know the specs on them. And then this, we're doing a straight pipe. It's a power stroke. On 37s or 38s? 37s, yeah. Alright guys, so what we're doing right now is removing this catalytic converter. That's pretty hot actually. From this Ford, which is this bolt and these two over there. So yeah.
So we're working on this piece today. Mr. G's, one of his friends brought it in. So AJ, how's that going?
Pretty good, we're almost done. We got a little more threads left. That bolt. Good.
Intro to the shop.
So, this is the shop.
Manhandle that shit.
This is shop. While the welding station's here. What you doing? We got Daniel and Luis here. So, gonna be welding here. We watching or what? That was just a little video how it is.
Got Luis here. And we got Mr. J over here.
Hit the red button right now. Fire away.
Make some beats or what? Oh, that's hot. Working on a Ford. Doing a lot. Now I can twist it. Maybe.
So we gotta get it out so it stops binding up with the...
I took it off.
Straight plate. No, I have straight plate in it. I know. But I'm leaving this on for a visual. So it has visual inspection. It's not clogged though.
Illusion, dude.
Huh?
That's just crazy.
Hey,
let me see it.
Woohoo!
All right, this is our solar boat for school. Fuck, the air compressor's loud. Anyways, this is, you know what, motherfucker. This is our solar boat for school. We race it in the inland solar competition. This is the flag. Last year we got second and third in the solemn and like a bunch of other races I forgot. But yeah, we're just working the bugs. It's a dual motor, and there's like 3 solar panels. There's 2 in the back, and then there's 1 in the front. And yeah, it's our boat. So it basically, you turn it on, and then there's 2 switches, and there's your throttle right here. Everyone clear back there? Here, record that back there. Record the propeller, bro. Go back there. Turn it on. No batteries. Gee, you're Kiss Mr. Patrick, Welding. You paid you. I know. I'm gonna go put that cat back on the truck. Beefy. Anyways, yeah. That's the shop vlog for today. Catch us next time, this weekend maybe, right? This weekend maybe? Maybe this weekend. Alright. Catch us then to see what we got going on at my house. Peace out. That's a wrap! It's a wrap!